Imagine watching sound come alive before your eyes. In the late 1700s, a German musician named Ernst Chladni discovered a mesmerizing way to make invisible vibrations visible. He sprinkled fine sand onto a flat metal plate and then drew a violin bow along its edge. The plate began to hum, and something magical happened. The sand leapt and danced, settling into beautiful, intricate patterns. These are called Chladni figures. Each time the plate was made to vibrate at a different frequency, the pattern changed, revealing the secret geometry of sound waves. The sand collects along lines where the plate stays still, called nodes, while the rest of the plate vibrates energetically. These stunning designs aren't just pretty. They're windows into the hidden world of vibrations that shape everything from musical instruments to architectural structures. Chladni's simple experiment allowed people to see the invisible forces that ripple through our world, sparking curiosity and inspiring generations of inventors, artists, and scientists alike. It's a vivid reminder that even the unseen can be made visible with a touch of creativity and insight.